Do you want to cleanse or detox your liver before it deteriorates to stage 4 liver cancer? Today, we're going to explore a natural remedy that not only cleanses your liver, but also purifies your blood vessels. The liver, a powerhouse organ, tirelessly works to process nutrients and filter out harmful toxins. Meanwhile, our blood vessels, the highways of our body, transport essential nutrients and oxygen to every corner of our being. It's crucial to keep these two systems in top shape to ensure overall health. And one of the best ways to do this is by harnessing the power of nature, specifically through a potent combination of Bringaraja, Punanava, and ginger. Ginger is renowned for its detoxifying properties, particularly for the liver. It soothes inflammation and stimulates white blood cells, bolstering our immune system. Available in tablet or powder form from any Ayurvedic store, ginger also plays a crucial role in maintaining cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Its blood-thinning effect aids in preventing blood clots and enhancing blood flow. And fresh juice Bringaraja, also known as false daisy, helps significantly in the treatment of liver disorders and obstructive jaundice. While Punanava, also known as red spiderling, spreading hogweed or tar vine, is effective in abdominal distension, acid belching, burping, burning, micturition dysuria, in urinary tract infections and reduces the swelling. To prepare this healthful brew, you'll need a fresh juice Bringaraja, teaspoon of Punanava powder, a 1-inch piece of ginger, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Start by boiling water in a pot, then add the fresh juice Bringaraja of 10 to 15 milliliter ginger and Punanava powder. Let the mixture simmer for a while before turning off the heat. Pour the concoction into a cup, add the lemon juice, and drink it while it's still warm. The lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, fortifies your immune system. Add a refreshing twist to the tea. This therapeutic beverage can be consumed on an empty stomach or 1 hour before or after meals. You can enjoy it first thing in the morning or just before you drift off to sleep. Regular consumption of this tea can naturally cleanse your liver and blood vessels. Remember, symptoms of liver disease can include skin and eyes that appear yellowish, jaundice, abdominal pain and swelling, frequent gassy sensation, swelling in the legs and ankles, loss of appetite and sudden weight loss, confusion, dark urine, vomiting blood, itching, loss of muscle and muscle weakness. This tea can be a great addition to a healthy lifestyle, which will cleanse and detox your liver. So, why not give this natural remedy a try? It's a simple and effective way to support your body's vital systems. And who knows? You might just find that it becomes a cherished part of your daily routine. After all, there's nothing quite like the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're doing something good for your body. As we wrap up, remember that your health is your wealth. Every step you take towards maintaining your well-being is a step towards a happier, more fulfilling life. And this tea, with its potent combination of Bringaraja, Punanava and ginger, is just one of the many ways you can support your body's health. So, are you ready to embark on this journey towards better health? Are you ready to embrace the power of nature and give your liver and blood vessels the care they deserve? If so, then it's time to start brewing this healing tea. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.